This AI tool can replace your full-time job. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the RYFAI channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the latest insights on AI tools that can change your life. Today, we're diving into something game-changing, this AI tool that has the potential to replace your full-time job. Yes, you heard that right. I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can start using it today. So, what exactly is this AI tool? It's a tool name, an AI-driven platform that automates key aspects of industry/job function. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, customer service rep, or even a freelancer, this tool can streamline tasks, increase efficiency, and free up your time, potentially replacing your full-time job. Here's how it works. As you can see, the tool uses machine learning to perform tasks like list relevant tasks, e.g., creating content, analyzing data, managing customer interactions. The best part? It does all this autonomously and quickly, cutting down on the manual work you would normally need to do. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to run a few tasks through tool name, and you'll see firsthand how efficient it is. For example, if you're in the marketing space, you can use this tool to generate high-quality content in seconds. Just enter a few keywords and boom, AI produces well-structured SEO-optimized text. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to run a few tasks through tool name, and you'll see firsthand how efficient it is. For example, if you're in the marketing space, you can use this tool to generate high-quality content in seconds. Just enter a few keywords, and boom, AI produces well-structured SEO-optimized text. Here, I've inputted the topic, and within seconds, it's generated a full article, complete with headlines, bullet points, and even the right keywords. This saves hours of work that would traditionally take human content creators days to complete. Now, how can this actually replace your full-time job? Well, let's look at some of the key benefits. First, efficiency. This AI tool can complete tasks in minutes that might take you hours. Second, scalability. As your business or workload grows, this AI tool can handle more tasks without the need for you to hire additional staff. And finally, cost-effectiveness. Using this AI tool means you can do the work of an entire team for a fraction of the cost. Imagine being able to focus on higher-value tasks while the AI takes care of the repetitive, time-consuming stuff. This can be a game-changer for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and even full-time employees looking to maximize productivity or start a side hustle. So, how can you get started with this tool? It's simple. First, go to Tool website and sign up for a free trial or subscription. From there, you can start exploring the features and customize it to suit your needs. As soon as you log in, you'll be able to integrate the tool into your workflow. Whether it's automating your social media posts, generating leads, or managing customer inquiries, this tool is a must-have for anyone looking to scale their business or replace manual labor with smart automation. So there you have it. With this AI tool, you can work smarter, not harder, and potentially replace your full-time job. The power of automation is right at your fingertips, and it's easier than ever to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI trends that can change your life. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new videos. Let me know in the comments, what would you use this AI tool for in your daily work? Can it really replace your job? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay ahead of the game with AI.